Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon boy face. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome back to my series. Today I'm glad you're joining us and we're going to be working on a boy's face right now. And I'm going to be doing several of these from time to time, different angles, close-up shot, different expressions. So you kind of learn angles and expressions. So what I did first, create the little oval for the head, put the crosshairs in there, and now I'm working on the nose and the eyes placement there by using those crosshairs, and then I'm just going to be coloring it in Photoshop. Won't be inking it. I'll be using the actual pencil rough lines as just an area of color. It's another style that I've used many times. Alright, so the quick little mouth, really happy, putting in little quick lines there for the shading, separating the back part of the mouth to the tongue. Coming back now and making a little darker lines and working my way around, working on the ear. Again, when I work on my cartoons, there's no rhyme or reason where I start first. And I just, whatever comes to my thought and my eye, come to that area. I'm like, okay, let's just add this or work over here. All right, and now I'm just going to create like a standard neck and a little shirt. All right, just about done with this one. With the shirt, and I'll go back and make some darker lines and change it. So yeah, this is very rough sketch. I've used this type of sketchiness in several of my illustrations for children's stories. Actually, I've come back over the illustration and then do a little tighter, but not far off from this. It's a neat little effect that I like. All right, just shading in the hair really quick. There we go, and reforming it and giving it some more little style. And again, that's the same way when if I took it to the next layer of should I say tighter pencils, I would come back and even maybe make a little tighter, but this is just a nice pencil sketch creating a thumbnail. All right, let's get that little eye there. Yeah, looking good. Put the shoulder, and think we're done with this one. So as always, let's sign and date it. And I want to say thanks again for watching this video. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey, I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.